In today's fast-paced work environments, collaboration is key, but so is protecting your technology. Meet FSR's locking wall covers, a surface or flush-mounted solution that keeps your touchscreen safe and secure while blending seamlessly into your space. No more accidental bumps or dust buildup, just easy access when you need it, and protection when you don't. Out of sight, but never out of mind, FSR's CB324 Plus Ceiling Box is the ultimate hidden hero. Designed to house AV equipment 20 inches or deeper, it allows for more free space on the floor while ensuring seamless connectivity. Whether it's network switches, UPS systems, routers, or patch panels, everything remains secure, organized, and easily accessible. In healthcare, reliability is everything. FSR's multi-trade wall box can keep critical technology safely stored and within reach for IT and medical staff without disturbing the patient. From PoE network switches to emergency call systems, everything is securely housed, making maintenance and upgrades a breeze. Learning environments should be about discovery, not dodging messy cables. FSR's SmartWay Raceway System delivers power and data exactly where you need it, keeping classrooms productive, organized, and future-ready thanks to its ADA compliance. Perfect for today's tech-driven learning spaces. From boardrooms to classrooms, offices to hospitals, FSR delivers solutions designed to solve and built to integrate seamlessly into any space. Visit fsrinc.com for more information or connect with us on social.